Sorry, I literally hate when people do this, like when they wait like an hour to start the video and just chat. I'm like, show me the freaking item. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Choyce Tibbitts. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome in the first place. And if it's not, welcome back. Today, we are doing another unboxing because I swear it's like all I do on my channel, but I'm gonna start doing more like styling type videos. But yes, today we have another unboxing of the very hype and the much anticipated Nike and Ambush collaboration. So if you want to see these guys, keep on watching. And if you like all these type of unboxing, menswear, fashion, styling, luxury type videos, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get this started. So a little story time. I tried to get these, like, you know, when the drop happened. I set an alarm for 4 in the morning. They were dropping on Nike sneakers, of course, like all the sneaker drops do, but like if you're a real person, like there's no shot that you're getting a sneaker from Nike sneakers because you're competing with all those robots, and so like, no. So I also saw that they were being sold on, oh, I got a message. I also saw that they were being sold on the Ambush site. And so I was like, okay, I probably have a better chance of getting on the Ambush site. And they were dropping, I think, at like 10 a.m. Japan time. And so, which was like 4 a.m. in New York, I believe. So I set my alarm for like 3:45 in the morning. I had the Ambush site open. All I needed to do was like refresh and try and get them. I wake up at 4 in the morning, go to get them, and the site's crashed. And I'm like, what the hell? So then I was like pissed because like I wanted these, I really like these shoes, especially because I've been looking at the Pandas, which I'll include here. The high twist was what they're officially called, I think, but everyone calls them the Pandas. But those sell on the resale market for like a ridiculous amount of money. Like, please tell me why they sell for like $700 almost. And so I was like, nah, there's no shot I'm getting those. But I saw that these like were anticipated to be on the resale market for about $400. So I was like, okay, well, even if I do have to buy them resale, it's still less than getting the high twist, and these are very similar in look and style to those. To be honest, a bit cooler. So I bit the bullet and I was like, I'm just gonna get them on the resale market. And so that's what I did. So I ended up getting these from StockX. And let's just get started. Sorry, I literally hate when people do this, like when they wait like an hour to start the video and just chat. I'm like, show me the freaking item. Okay, here we go. So we have this collaboration Nike Ambush box. And just open these guys up. So these are them. They're this like really classic white and black leather with the Nike swoosh. And what's really cool about the Nike swoosh is that it extends past the back of the shoe. I think Yoon, who's like the creative director and founder of Ambush, he wanted it to kind of look like motorcycles. It kind of look like the shoe is in motion. And so I really like this detail. It's like a rubber material. And then we have, it's kind of like a crinkled leather. These are my first pair of Dunks. So I'm not sure if this is a feature of like all Dunks, but it has like a very interesting textured leather. It's not like smooth or anything. It's a little bit like crinkly, but I think it kind of adds to like the aesthetic of the shoe. At the top, we have the Nike and Ambush logo there, and then at the back you have the Ambush logo like embossed as well. So I'll include some cutaways of me styling these and some additional close-ups, but it is a great shoe. So if you guys aren't familiar with Yoon, the founder and creative director of Ambush, I'll leave her like some of her Instagram pictures here, then I'll leave it in her Instagram link in the description as well too. But she's just super cool. You should definitely follow her. But she's just like the type of person I like aspire to be. Just like has like 50 different jobs, like super amazing businesswoman doing awesome collabs with a super strong brand and like really creative. She's like the, if anyone has ever bought any Dior men's jewelry, she's the creative director of men's jewelry at Dior. She's done like collaborations with like everyone under the sun, from like Nike to, I believe she did like Adidas or Converse collaboration. She's done a collaboration with Bulgari. She just recently did a collaboration with Beats. Super cool. And this is, I think, one of many sneakers that will be coming out in collaboration with Nike. There's already rumors of being a green, I think. No, a blue and a like red pinkish color. I'm actually really glad I got these because like those two colors are cool, but I know I'd really never wear them because I'm actually really not like a Jordan's Dunk type of person. I've been getting more into it because I loved all the different styles I've been seeing on Instagram of them, so I wanted to pick them up. My first pair of Jordans actually have an unboxing of and a styling video, which I'll link up above. I'll come up above. One of the two. And also in the description. But they have just become like really more, like a really popular shoe now in like high fashion, which is really cool. They've always been like a huge streetwear shoe. But kind of, it's been kind of going into kind of that high-low style, which I really like and I'm really into. So I've been getting into it. So I wanted to pick these up, especially because they were so similar to the high twist. And that was a shoe I wanted for a long time. I just refused to pay that resale price for that shoe. So yeah, these are them. I will definitely be styling these a lot, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll leave all my information here at Tibbitts. Shameless plug. Also possibly maybe do a blog post on styling these, or like just like a collection of Dunks and Jordans to like get your like Dunk Jordan collection started. Because right now I have these guys and I also have the Jordans that I mentioned in that other video. I'm currently just trying to build up my kind of like classic Jordan Dunk sneaker collection, so I'm really excited about these. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see because it's the new year. I'm trying to be more consistent in my content and I definitely want to do things that you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments below and I will see you guys on the next video.